So this little additive, I'll post it separately because this one was giving me a hard time. The screw won't push in. So what I did is I got it started and I twisted it, and then I twisted it in all the way with my fingers. And after you get it started, if it fights with you, just use your screwdriver. That one eventually slid in, and so this one is still fighting with me. So you go with your screwdriver, get it all the way in, and then once you reach the end, actually keep twisting a bit, and that will kind of loosen up the plastic inside. The hole in the plastic is not quite precise, and now it slips in and out. See, yeah, nice. So once again, I hold my finger, and this piece of metal wasn't going on easily either. Yeah, so it's not quite lining up. So once again, just hold the metal back there and just get your screwdriver and just kind of push, and with my finger I'm pushing here, and you just get that thing, and it's going to take some patience. So it is a little sideways. I guess the hole's pretty bad. So I'm going to go back and forth with my screwdriver. Don't do just one. I went too far with the one, and it got harder. So now, gosh, it's still a little bit screwy there. And get a couple screws here, a couple nuts, and oh gosh, hope I didn't lose them. I think I might have lost two nuts. You got to be real careful not to lose these nuts. No, that's it. That's only 8 of them in the pack. So we'll try this. So I thought this is going to be a minute or two video, and it's turning into more. But you know, it's just one of those things. If this might happen to you guys, and so wow. This is a toughie. I don't know. Well, I'm going to have to come back at this one. So at least you know what to do if the screw won't go into the plastic. Now, when it comes to this metal block, if that's not, it looks like it wasn't drilled straight through, and that might require that I come over to your house with a drill. Can you imagine? Well, let's wait and see. I'll take a look at this thing and see if I can come up with a solution. But at least if you simply have trouble with the screw going in, the screw going into the plastic, you know what to do. Okay.